Hey, I'm Filip, designer co-founder of Subframe. Subframe is an AI design tool that features a drag-and-drop editor, React code export, and generative AI design features that are personalized to you, all using your design system. Let's check it out. At a high level, your Subframe project contains your theme, your design system components, including custom components that you can create, and the pages you design. Everything in Subframe is fully customizable and synced with your codebase. So the components you design are the same components engineers use in production. This means Subframe is not just a design tool, but a source of truth for your entire design system and product UI. Getting started is easy. We provide theme presets and a pre-built set of components that you can customize and build on top of. And both the editor and AI will always use your system, ensuring consistent, on-brand design that Subframe learns from as you build. Let's create a simple meeting interface from scratch to show you how you could go from zero to working code in Subframe in just a few minutes. Head on over to Pages and click New Page. To create a page, you can prompt the design you want, choose a template, or start from scratch. Here, we're going to quickly customize our AI to give it context about what we're building. So let's use AI to create our first version. I'm going to type in a prompt, and go ahead and hit enter. Ask AI allows us to generate entire pages with multiple variations. You can prompt or upload an image like a screenshot or Figma design, and Subframe will always use your components and theme to generate the designs. You can even ask AI to update your theme, or you could go back and customize it yourself. Now that we have a few pages generated, we could cycle between them and decide which ones we like. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and click this one and apply the design to my main page canvas on the left. The cool thing about Subframe is you can mix and match different designs just by dragging them over to your canvas. Remember, even though it's AI generated, everything remains editable in design mode. When you're ready to customize your design, head over to the top right and hit Design Mode. Here, you'll see a classic design tool interface. You're able to select your elements and edit them with the Properties panel on the right. You can do all the things like multi-select to make edits, and on the left, you have an insert menu that you can drag elements from directly onto your canvas. On the left, we also have our Layers panel and Pages for easy navigation. A unique feature is contextual edits. Just right-click to see a menu that lets you edit any design property instantly. Subframe uses a responsive page editor instead of an infinite canvas. This ensures that your UI looks exactly as it will in the browser, but it is a little bit more constrained. You'll rely on stacks, which are like frames with auto layout built in, to position things where you want. So we've added features like insert buttons whenever you select an element to place things where you want. Here, I prompted my way to insert a toggle menu to the right of my selection. When you're happy with your design, everything you made in Subframe is instantly converted to React and Tailwind code without the use of AI, because you're already working with real React components. Move over to the Code tab when you're ready to sync your components and copy your page code. You can inspect specific elements to see that code in context and copy and paste the parts that you need. You can copy to your IDE or export to AI code tools like Cursor, Bolt, Replit, and others. Installing Subframe in your project requires just a couple of CLI commands. The best part is that all your code lives locally, so you can develop it further with business logic, hooking up to APIs, and advanced interactions. Subframe ensures that everything you design is pixel perfect. This is only just scratching the surface of all the things that are possible with Subframe and our design to code workflow for the AI era. We can't wait to see what you build.